You can see it's a very small box and it is not a handbag, but it is something that I have been wanting for a while. Let's see what this is. This is the Key Pouch S in the monogram canvas. The style number's not even in there. I thought that was the whole purpose of this, but I guess they just gave me the sticker instead. That is a style number. Old hardware, of course. This is the inside of it. It has a little pocket. I believe the inside is leather, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, there's a little pocket there. So you could use this as a wallet if you wanted to. You can also use it as a little catch-all in your handbag. There's another piece that I use faithfully. That piece is the reason that I had not gotten this sooner. And this is that piece. Now, this is my Dress Up Your Purse M key pouch. And this is leather, so I expect that this will have a lot more give than the canvas Key Pouch S. And what I use this for is cosmetics, primarily lip glosses and things like that. This is made of leather, so it has more give. And if we compare these, they are the same size. I had a lip gloss, a travel perfume, another travel perfume, a lip gloss and a hand cream, another lip gloss, and nail glue. I had all of these things in the M key pouch. I don't want to stress it out too much. Let's take these items out. Yeah, so that's about the limit on this one. Just give you one more quick demonstration of the difference. So I put that lip gloss in, the perfume, another lip gloss, the hand cream, and the nail glue. See how this isn't like bulging so much? It's just more give, and I don't have to tug the zipper. Moral of the story is, if you have this and you're good with this, you don't need this. I didn't need this either. I love canvas from Louis Vuitton. I just love the way it feels. So this is kind of just a staple piece that I wanted to have. Just wanted to have it. This definitely will suffice. And it is leather and it's more flexible and you can fit a little bit more inside of it. So now I'm going to compare one more thing really quickly. This is my mini pochette from Louis Vuitton. Another piece that I have worn out. I stretched it out, all the above. I want to just give you a quick comparison of these two. So this is how they compare. Like they appear to be the same size, like to take up the same footprint. But of course the pochette is about twice as deep, if not more. You're obviously going to be able to fit a lot more into the mini pochette. Zipper is longer on the mini pochette as well. Cloth lining on the inside, so not leather lined. Has this little chain strap, so you could change this into a mini bag if you wanted to. You could just add a chain extender and literally put it on as a purse or as a crossbody if you wanted to. They're very similar, again, in shape, except for the depth. Thing I wanted to just see is if a phone would fit, and it's looking like no. The iPhone mini would fit in here, but the iPhone 16 Pro regular size will not. Will a phone fit inside the Dress Up Your Purse M key pouch? It's also giving no, but possibly. No, it will not. Will the iPhone 16 Pro fit inside the Louis Vuitton mini pochette? Possibly. I think it does, but let's see. Why did I think it did? So it will go in there with a little elbow grease. And you can still fit some more stuff in there if you wanted to, like a lip gloss, for example. Definitely a wallet, credit card. You can make it fit in there. And it's not like stretched or anything. Now, was it easy to get it in there? No. So here's me removing it. And there's no case on it either. So it's not easy to do, but it can be done. If you have an iPhone that's smaller, like some of the older ones, this is an iPhone 12 and it's standard like this one, but you can see it's a little bit smaller. So this can easily go into a mini pochette, or okay, maybe not easily, but more easily than the iPhone 16. So that's in there, and you can fit stuff on either side, like lip gloss. Let's just pretend this is like a credit card and an ID, perfume, hand sanitizer. And like I said, if you have a strap extender, just like a regular strap, you can unhook this and then hook, your strap in there you go. That was a little bonus experiment for this video. That's all I had to share with you today. Let me know your thoughts on the key pouch small. Do you have it? Do you plan to get it? Is it completely unnecessary in your opinion? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.